For pronouncement of judgment, item 10.
Let the bill discussed.
Clear.
Much obliged, sir.
May I please, Your Honor? I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship.
7.
Yes, Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, kindly take up the matter, Lordship, next week, Lordship.
Jan. Yes.
But I beg to mention for listing of the case in motion, my lord, this property of the petitioner is put in the e-auction cell 26. My lord, this successive proceeding is pending till the respondent bank has put in the e-auction cell. 26 is the date. So it may be tomorrow, it may be listed. My lord, I have filed already.
Proceedings initiated by whom are pending?
Bank has approached the DRT and it is pending. But independency, they have put this property in mortgage sale. My lord, 26 the e-auction.
Approach the
date.
debt recovery tribunal. Approach the debt recovery tribunal.
My lord, 26 is the date. My lord, there is.
Whatever it may be, 26 is the date. If you can approach the High Court, you can very well approach the DRT under section 17.
Yes, my lord.
So
Sure.
you go there.
I will go, my lord, but there is no paucity of time, my lord. That is why.
There is the paucity of time. 26th is the date.
But this is the holiday, my lord.
So holiday here also we are having holidays.
Yes, my lord, tomorrow is this.
No, sir, not at all. Not in the Supreme Court has deprecated this practice. Article 226 is not meant for this.
Yes, my lord, but there is a gross violation. That is why.
Whatever it may be, gross violation or whatever it may be, you can point it out to the DRT.
My lord.
DRT will look into the matter. When there is alternate remedy, certainly we are not going to entertain.
DRT has not entertained and fight for a fix for hearing, my lord, but self proceeding there.
Sure. If you are aggrieved by the auction notice, you can file separate proceedings under section 17 on your own.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, then
It's a 5-4 is the date and 26 is the auction. my lord.
26 is the
Till
date.
five
If
for-
you can approach the High Court, the DRT is very well in Guwahati. You can very well approach the DRT also.
I understood that, but before that, my lord, auction sale.
You
will be taken.
understood then what remains.
My lord, anyway, my lord, your lordship may pass in order tomorrow, my lord, I have filed it and your lordship may. My lord, other persons.
Tomorrow, not at all.
You first approach the DRT. If it is rejected, then it's a different matter. You have not even approached the DRT.
We
You have a
approached, there
remedy
is an
there.
order. We approached, but they said that 5-4 is the fix that we will take.
No,
But
five, that is for the initial cause. Now a fresh cause of action has
Yeah.
arisen as per your, whatever you have
They have
submitted.
issued an auction notice and certainly,
matter is that, my lord, liability is not fixed. 3 borrower, 1 borrower's residential flat in the put in the mortgage, they want to see.
that is, liability is co-extensive.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah,
That
it's-
issue too
it's
is to
for the
decide that.
bank to initiate proceedings against whom?
3, all
Right.
borrower.
All borrower bank.
Now they want to sell this property of 1 borrower and putting all the liabilities upon him.
22nd को लगा था कि otherwise you don't think so.
On Friday, then my lord, we'll try my luck Friday, my lord, can be my lord, otherwise it will be before 2 days, my lord. If not possible tomorrow. Friday, my lord, we try my luck,
Try or not.
my lord,
Friday.
oblige, my lord.
May it please your lordship. It's regarding a writ appeal, my lord. We have filed on Monday, my lord, along with a I, my lord, for stay of the honorable single judge's judgment and order. It's regarding eligibility condition of a professor, my lord. In KK Henry,
When did you file, Mr. Khan?
Monday, my lord. So the matter may come up on Friday, my lord, along with that I, my lord.
Monday, next Monday. So we take the, I think. It needs some. It should have come every day.
Friday.
Most of
22nd.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I pray for listing of an IA. My lord, this is a PIL. My lord, the main matter relates to a PIL. Wherein, my lord, your lordship was pleased to direct the state authorities to please the decision of the cabinet. You know, the decision was regarding notification of the eco-sensitive zone in the Deeporville area. Now, my lord, they have come up with the wildlife part, they are denotifying. So, my lord, we have put to challenge that order where denotifies the wildlife part area of the Deeporville area. So, my lord, may I pray, my lord, they will be listed on Friday.
When?
For Friday, my lord, this coming
Okay.
Friday.
Let us.
So as per my lord's, my lord,
27.
convenience, 27, my lord, I'm
27.
obliging. I'm obliging.
Orders item 1.
It is your lordship. There is an IA for condonation of delay of 93 days in filing the writ appeal, your lordship.
Why 93 days delay? What was the reason?
Explained in para 4 of my application, lordship. We have received the copy of
29th of November 2022.
yes, your lordship.
See the copy of the 20th of June.
Yes, your lordship.
Even then, there is a delay of 93 days. How have you explained 93 days?
It has been explained.
Initial period, okay, certified copy. But what
Lordship.
about this actual delay of 93 days?
It has been explained in para 4, your lordship.
Where is the explanation? Let us see.
On the latter part, page number 16.
Yes, what is the explanation? Is this an explanation?
Lordship, we have applied for the certified copy.
That we have got the time, now 93 days. The petitioner the approached advocate in month of October, handed over the brief. So-and-so advocate after going through the case record relating ultimately filed on so-and-so. Where is the explanation?
Actually, it took some time. I have stated that to collect
You have
the
not
documents.
Offered any explanation, in fact, para number 5. The petitioner applies that they are accordingly 93 days in filing the writ appeal before this court against the impugned judgment passed by, and there was no laches and negligence on the part of the appellant. In connection with the petitioner, appellant solely dependent upon the advice of the engaged advocate. Took time, brief. Notice of IA number so and so returnable, registered AD.
Much obliged.
This is more handling. And this is only your copy, nobody will have a.
Yes.
Item 2.
Yes, please, your lordship. This is the IA for condonation of delay, lordship, 173 days, lordship.
How you explained it?
I have explained in para, lordship. 3, 4, and 5, lordship.
This is the reason.
Lordship, he is out of service for several years, lordship. So, and he's suffering, lordship. That's why he took some time to contact his advocate, lordship.
What happened to the criminal case?
Lordship, that has, disposed of lordship.
Or disposed of what?
Lordship convicting me, Lord.
You.
Lordship.
Now what became?
Lordship, completed the sentence also in the meantime, Lordship.
Convicted, how can you are seeking
No, Lordship,
reinstatement.
there is a scope in, Lordship,
You are seeking reinstatement.
no, Lordship, there is a scope under some service pension rules, Lordship.
Madam, what was the section under which you are convicted? Have you seen the section?
That is there, Lordship.
And you come to the writ court, the court of equity.
No, Lordship, there is scope for some compassionate allowances and gratuity under section rule 24 of some pension manual, Lordship. If for survival of the petitioner, if that can be,
Notice returnable to the AD.
deeply obliged.
Item 3.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, in this appeal, this IA is put condemnation of delay of 99 days, my lord. And my lord, I have explained in para 4.
Yeah.
My lord, these appellants are, my lord, working in a different elementary school, my lord, in Karimganj district, my lord. Para 4, my lord, at page 10, my lord. Then it's page 11, my lord, operative part.
Notice same order.
Item number 4 for admission.
Notice of
My lord.
My lord, before his argument led by.
Yes,
My lord,
yeah.
no, regarding my lord, this writ petition, my lord, is a PIL filed by the my lord and my lord.
How this PIL is maintained?
No, my lord, is a your lordship kindly see contradictory statement, para number 1 and para number 7. He is a candidate, my lord. Para number 1, your lordship kindly see.
You have individual cause of action. How you can maintain a PIL in this matter?
Lordship, because
What is
the
the PIL?
lordship, because interest involved is the lordship, public
Interest
interest. Lordship.
involved, every individual
Yes, lordship.
is aggrieved by the action of this Public Service Commission of not publishing the paper in the Hindi Varnaguru language, in the Assamese language.
Yes, yes.
Very well approach the court. How can this the PIL? It's a public interest litigation. Public interest whole of the state of Assam.
No, lordship, yes, lordship, because there is a cabinet decision also regarding the demand of the student.
That is altogether different.
Yes,
That cabinet decision in
Yes.
respect of removal of those Assamese and Bodo languages and all. That is
no,
compulsory.
lordship,
That is
no,
altogether
no,
different.
lordship, before going to that, lordship, I am like to clarify, lordship.
You have gone through
Because
that.
lordship is the education system in Assam, lordship. The education,
So whatever it may be, first of all, how this PIL is maintainable in public
Exact-
interest, how such petition can be maintained. This is your individual cause of action. You are aggrieved by the action individually.
no, lordship, not this for the inter.
Yeah, how you
Yes,
are
lordship, that may be
representing- how
lordship,
you
yes,
are
yes, lordship, your lordship
representing
may be
all the
correct. Let me lordship submit little thing, lordship. Because this, if this PL is allowed, it goes benefit to the all students who
That-
is
that-
schooling or
they are-
or the Assamese medium.
If they are appearing in the public service examination,
Yes.
they'll take care of their own interest. You are not supposed to.
Yes, that I
you
may
are
be
not the
allowed to
boss
file
leader.
and to withdraw and file a fresh. I may be allowed to withdraw and file a fresh lordship with the
What
liberty.
affidavit?
Lordship,
Yes, you can very well.
But even otherwise, my lord, already it is amended, my lord, it will taken care. His Givansi is already taken care of. Already amended has been done in next election, next my lord exam, it will be happen next coming exam, my lord. That is, there is nothing, my lord.
And this time, I think the
No, that is, they are already amended. That is already taken decision by, my lord.
preliminary is already.
Preliminary only OMR sheet, my lord. Preliminary, my lord, there is no language, my lord, only English, my lord.
Yes,
The OMR
already
sheet.
decision has taken.
Already has
then I have nothing to
wants
say.
to withdraw this, the with liberty to file fresh if occasion so arises. Dismiss with liberty as prayed for.
Withdrawn, not dismissed, withdrawn.
Withdraw, he
Yes,
wants to withdraw,
yes.
yes. If occasion so.
Item 5.
May it please lordship. But the petitioner challenged, his petition was filed challenging the order of removal from service. But the largest single judge, my lord, has remanded the case back to the disciplinary authority for passing a fresh.
He has already superintended by now. So,
Notice. Notice of IA number so and so. IA you have.
No, I have not, but I made a prayer in the appeal itself.
Appeal it. Notice of, the rate of appeal. Requisites be filed within a period of 1 week. Sent to register daily. In the meantime. Effect and operation of the impugned judgment dated so and so. Shall remain state.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 6.
Mr. Chaudhary. Item 6. I'm sorry, mate.
But this retail bill is in with regard to claim.
Claim of the respondent number 5 for the post of headmaster from where he was removed.
List of dates. No, no, man. My lord, may I place the list of dates?
The respondent number 5 was in service in a non-provincialized school, and he was removed from service by an order dated 22/8/2007. After his removal, the present appellant, he was appointed as the headmaster of the school. Now, the school was thereafter provincialized in 2014, and the service of the appellant was also provincialized. The respondent number 5 challenged his removal by filing a writ petition in 2014, which was eventually disposed of, directing that he may approach the education tribunal pursuant to a full-based decision of this honorable court. Accordingly, he approached the tribunal, and the tribunal had allowed his petition, holding inter alia that the provision of the rules have not been complied with, although at that relevant point of time, the rules were not there. Now, against that, the appellant had approached this honorable court. The honorable single judge's findings are, if your lordship comes to, is 264, the penultimate direction. The writ petition was dismissed
And the direction is that the judgment and order page 264, your lordship may read from paragraph 50. I'm not going into the details. Just a minute. Now there are two problems, but no. He has implemented first. Now what is the problem? Please, other people will be considered for.
But now what remains in this matter when he has already retired?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
He
So
has
what
already-
remains, how you are agreed by this order?
Now, my lord, I am also retiring very soon, my lord. I'll be retiring on 1st of June 2024.
How this order will affect you?
My lord, the apprehension is that because the authorities in the education department has to pass some order, that
So
my
is
lord,
there any embargo cast upon the authorities not to reconsider your case for post of headmaster?
no.
If there is no embargo, then there should not be any apprehension.
That
Your
if that
initial
is,
appointment was set aside by the learned tribunal,
yes, my
which was the subject matter of challenge.
lord.
But in the meantime, he has also retired.
Yes, my lord.
And in between, you remained as the headmaster
Yeah, I continued as a
on
headmaster.
account of stay order passed by this court.
Oh, no, my lord, I was appointed by the school after he was removed. And thereafter the school was provincialized. My service was as headmaster was also provincialized. And that order also, my lord, goes because of this judgment, my lord. That is the only apprehension I have, my lord.
No, after the tribunal's order of 28/2022,
My,
who was put to the post of headmaster?
no, my lord, there was a stay.
There was a stay, you
Yeah.
continued.
There was a stay. That continued.
21.
Even if he's, I'm sorry.
But initial order of the tribunal to remove him, it held it. That's really good.
Out of application, out of application, government, GNI.
Provincialized, the automatically services.
No, 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 government, yeah. Bahirot application. People are coming.
Who is for the education department? So in view of this order passed by the learned single judge, whether any proposal for removal him from the post of
I
head?
don't have instructions to that effect, my lord. It has come up for the first time. I'll take it, but otherwise at page 257,
Yes.
stand of the department before the learned single judge also that he was correctly provincialized.
That's the.
That stand remains,
But
my
once the single judge has passed the order
My lord,
that his appointment from the post of headmaster was illegal, now what action you are
your
proposing?
lordship will have it on immediately on the reopening, my lord. I'll have my instructions whether there is any proposal to touch his headmaster.
In the meantime, my lord, late, nothing happened. I am apprehensive.
That I can say, my lord, I will instruct them not to process anything in a day or
You are retiring in June.
June,
1st of June.
2 months.
Okay, Mr. Who is
Arnold,
appearing
sir.
for the respondent number? Yes,
Number 5.
you are for the respondent number 5, and you are for
I am from the education department.
education department. Which are the respondents?
My lord, there will be respondent number 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. What
No,
about 4
1,
and
2,
5?
3, 1, 2, 3.
One,
4 would be by the GS Samara because the deputy commissioner represents.
And 5 is the private respondent. 6, you are 6.
School managing committee, my lord, the notice was directly because it is constituted by election and
We
all.
should notice it.
By the
Should notice Mr. Majumdar is appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, and 3.
And you are appearing for respondent number 5.
Yes, I am.
And Mr. So and so put in appearance on behalf of the respondent, is appearing on behalf of the respondent number 5. Let notice be issued to the respondent number 4 and 6
No,
only.
4, I think, government council.
Government council.
4, Mr. Das.
Mr. Das is appearing on behalf of the respondent number 4. Let notice be issued to the respondent number 6 only. Returnable on due vacation capacity after so and so. In the meantime, the appellant may not be discontinued from holding the post of headmaster of which
Fuji High School.
High school.
Bapuji
High School, Hindi medium, Jagi Road.
Bapuji High School in bracket Hindi medium, Jagi Road. Till next stage.
Yes, yes. We will give that.
The copy of the writ appeal along with the requisite documents is supplied to the respective counsel for the respondents during the course of the day.
Let it be tomorrow, my lord. Tomorrow means tomorrow. Let it by tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
by tomorrow. Yes.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Item 8.
That order you are having the
Yes, I have one.
same order.
Lordship.
I am on behalf of respondent number 1.
Presence लगा देना आपके.
Deputy.
Mr. So and so is put in appearance on behalf of the respondent number. Let notice be issued. The sole respondent is there? Or no other?
Yes.
Let notice be issued to the other respondents. Returnable so and so registered lady.
Well, the other respondents are pro forma respondents, my lord. The education department, we will serve them copy, my lord. The standing council is there, my lord.
Serve the copy and also respondent number.
True. Well, 2, 3, and 4.
Learning concept for the appellant has submitted that in identical writ appeals, this court has already issued notices to the respondents. Full stop. Issue notice. Mr. So and so put in appearance on behalf of the respondent number 1. The other respondents are performer respondents. Of the other respondents are of the education department. Learned concept for the appellant is free to serve the copy upon the council,
Lordship.
usually appearing for the education department for state of Assam.
My lord.
Deputy.
I'm obliged.
Item number 9.
Lordship, in this case, we have filed an application for implement of the Rabindranath Tagore University because the Hojai College has been upgraded to a university. Let it come IS Civil number 901 of 2024.
But that is not before.
Lordship.
It is not placed before us.
When did you file?
This is not come in the list today, Lordship.
When did you file?
Monday, Lordship.
List along with the IN number so and so
901 of 2024.
901/2022 after 10 days, after 2 weeks.